yanivusela ekuseni nonke bekunene sibonga ukuthi sesikhona emsebenzini waka-ICT litiko leli lesi ngemalunga alo ngicela ukuthi singakaqali ukusebenza ngicela ukuthi sithandaze bonke ekuseni. Almighty God, our Father, we pray that the work that will be done in this committee today will be under thy governance, to thy glory, to the honor of the King, and to the benefit of Emaswati. This we ask in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. Amen. Malunga siyabonga nenduna siyanemukela sitokwenda umsebenzi lesathunywa iParliament ukuthi siwende wekota iqala yalomnyaka lesikuwo losedulu nduna wokuhlola ukuthi lokho lokucela ukuthi eMaswati akunike kona utokhona kusebenza ukwende njani umnyaka usukile phasi. Ngiyacela ke Timpunga ukuthi introduce sitochubeka nalomsebenzi nenduna itabe seyasitshela ukuthi ihamba nabo bani. Mina ngincencenenge ngiqhamuka la imbekelweni ngililunga lendlu yeTimpunga ungakadlamini sibongo bonkosi. Chubeka mhlonishwa.
Ngibonge kakhulu sihlalo. Ngivusele wena sihlalo, ngivusele indvuna, ngivusele na PS, ngivusele nabo CEO nawo wonke ama officials la khona. Libito lami ngicela umusa mvoti ngeimpunga. Ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga sihlalo esihloniphekile. Ngicela aqale ngivusele wena nelitafula lakho. Ngivusele indvuna lehloniphekile PS litiko lonke netimpunga ligama lami ngingifezeka ngwakadlamini Sibongo.
Sinibingelele nonke egameni lenkosethu Jesu Kristu libito lami ngikekela ngwakadlamini ngoyakuhleza kulela la semfuma kahoho. Ngiyabonga.
Asivusele kuwe sihlalo nelitafula lakho, sivusele enduneni PS nelitiko Timpunga siyavusela ligama lami ngingilizi inkosi ngimpunga. Ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga malunga lahloniphekile nduna ngicela kuniketa wona uthule nelibandla lakho nduna.
Siyabonga sihlalo siyakuvusela namhlekuseni sivusela Timpunga sivusela bonke labakhona baka ICT mina ngisaba namaziya ngisebenza ka ICT.
Ngiyavusela kusihlalo neTimpunga tonke libito lami ngumsheshimba ngwakadlamini ka ICT.
Siyavusela chair Mbalenkosi. Sivusele masenators konke endlini na minister wethu na PS wethu na lesihamba nabo. Ngimacanjana wakamotha ngimabhalani omncane ka ICT.
Ngiyavusela losesihlalweni Mntanenkosi. Ngivusele neTimpunga tonke letikhona endlini, ngivusele indvuna na PS nalolonke libandla lesihamba nalo tiko. Libito lami ngingumlamuli ngwakadlamini ngingu-CEO weSwatini TV.
Sivusele sihlalo lesihloniphekile neTimpunga minister na bandla lakhe minister leliqhamuka ICT ngisakhele Dlamini director communications etiko.
Sivusele chair neTimpunga tonke lesihloniphekile libito lami ngithulani Fakuthe managing director ePTC.
Sivusele sihlalweni Timpunga lehloniphekile minister nelibandla lakhe igama lami ngiRejoice Maseko Minister of ICT Director RSDI.
Ngivusele sihlalo neTimpunga ma officials elitiko nenduna libito lami ngingubonga Ndlangamandla ngibukela ihlangothi lwaka electronic government.
Siyavusela
sihlalo lesihloniphekile sivusele netimpunga letihloniphekile nendvuna yelitiko laka RSTP nelibandla lesihamba nalo ligama lami nginguMadoda Ngakamtsiniso acting CEO ka RSTP.
Siyavusela sihlalo netimpunga letihloniphekile nendvuna yelitiko laka ICT nabo bonke lesihamba nabo. Libito lami nginguNomvula Golwako ngisebenza RSTP as the CFO.
Ngiyavusela sihlalo lesihloniphekile. Bahlonishwa abahloniphekile. Libito lami nginguSenani Khumalo, ngingu-Director Information and Media Development.
Ngivusele sihlalo lohloniphekile timpunga nendvuna nabo nelibandla lendvuna libito lami ngingibhekisisa gama loswaka RSTP as acting NDC head.
Sifusele kusihlalo lesihloniphekile netimbonga tonke litiko lonke lelihamba nendvuna lami libito ngingivele Simelane lisekela lemcondzisi emsakatweni wemoya EBIS.
Sivusele mntwana Nkosi sihlalo lesihloniphekile sivusele nema senators onke indvuna yelitiko nema colleagues ICT libito lami nginqobizitha ngwakamsibi Director National Archives.
Siyavusela sihlalo kanye netimbunga ngivusele nendvuna yelitiko kanye nabalingani bami lesiqhamuka nato etiko laka ICT. Ibito lami ngingikhulile wakadlamini Sibongo ngiqhamuka ka EPTC ka marketing and sales.
Ngiyavusela lunga lelihloniphekile libito lami ngingfuthi Dlamini ngisebenza emtapeni welwati eMbabane.
Siyavusela sihlalo netimpunga nendvuna yelitiko libandla lesihamba nalo ligama lami nginguSunshine Sikhonze ngisekele umcondzisi wema libraries lamhla ngingu-acting mcondzisi wema libraries.
Siyavusela kusihlalo lesihloniphekile netimpunga letihloniphekile sivusela minister waka ICT neteam yonke ya ICT ngingusibongile mina ngwakaDube ngingu-principal archivist eSwatini National Archives and Record Service.
Ngiyavusela nami kusihlalo lohloniphekile netimbunga tonke endlini nebalingani lesifika nabo. Libito lami ngibongani Mkhaliphi etikweni ku department ya IMD.
Ngiyavusela kusihlalo netimbunga letihloniphekile nendvuna yelitiko nema colleagues. Libito lami nginguNkosinathi Mzize nginglegal advisor etiko laka ICT.
Ngiyavusela kusihlalo netimbunga letihloniphekile libito lami nguSifiso Wamavuso senior economist.
Ngiyavusela mntwana Nkosi lophindza abe ngusihlalo netimbunga tonke ngivusela indvuna na PS nelibandla la ICT. Libito lami ngingisabelo wakadlamini ngumcondzisi emsakatweni wemoya EBIS.
Ngiyavusela sihlalo lohloniphekile netimpunga letihloniphekile ngivusele honorable minister nelibandla laka ICT mina ngifikile wakagama acting CEO ka ESCOM.
Siyavusela sihlalo sivusele netimbunga sivusele nendvuna lehloniphekile nalo lonke libandla. Libito lami ngusicelo Simelane ngisuka ka ESCOM kulelihlangothi laka data protection.
Ngiyavusela sihlalo namalunga lahloniphekile nelitiko lonke libito lami ngingicondile ngwakamagagula ngingu-principal accountant.
Ngiyavusela sihlalo netimbonga letikhona letihloniphekile libito lami ngumcondzisi wakadlamini assistant planning officer under Ministry of ICT.
Ngiyavusela sihlalo netimbonga letihloniphekile nebaphatsi labasuka etikweni ngingwandile Mhlanga long engineer Ministry of ICT.
Siyavusela sihlalo netimbonga letikhona nendvuna
nama-officials onke. Libito lami ngingu-Luke Ngwasho, ngi-legal advisor eSwatini TV.
Ngicela ukuvusela sihlalo netimpunga letihloniphekile na Minister ICT nelibandla lonke lase ministry. Ngilibito lami nguSibusiso Dlamini, acting CFO emsakatweni weTitfombe. Siyabonga.
Siyabonga malunga lahloniphekile. Namhla litiko liphume lonke nebantu abalo. Kepha sicela ukuthi sinikede indvuna iyende i-preamble sitochubeka malunga. Siyabonga sihlalo.
Honorable Chairperson and honorable members of the House, I humbly present the Ministry of Information, Communication and Technology's first quarter performance report for the financial year 2026-2027. This report provides a consolidated account of the work undertaken by the Ministry, its departments and parastatals from April to June 2026 in fulfillment of our mandate under Legal Notice number 25 of 2009. It also reflects how these efforts are laying the foundation for a knowledge-based and digitally inclusive economy in line with national development priorities. Honorable Chair, over the first quarter, under review, we continued our work on the policy and legislative framework that underpins a secure and dynamic digital sector. Building on what the ministry achieved in the last financial year, a draft postal sector policy was produced and is ready to be validated by stakeholders. We continue to fight cybercrime and have submitted our draft regulations for Computer Crime and Cybercrime Act to the Attorney General's office. Furthermore, a first draft of the National Data Governance Policy aimed at harmonizing and protecting national data is being developed. The ministry produced Draft National Archives and Records Services Act 6 of 2023 regulations, which were submitted to the Office of the AG, Attorney General. Additionally, the ministry formulated Draft National Research Council Regulations 2026 and reviewed the National Science, Technology and Innovation Policy. Honorable Chair, robust infrastructure and affordable connectivity remain central to our work. During the first quarter, we carried out corrective maintenance across national television transmitter sites to optimize functionality for signal distribution for Eswatini TV, Channel Yamaswati, and Parliament Television. As a way to strengthen monitoring of connectivity, Digital Terrestrial Television acquired and installed 5 switches in Gege, Matunvilini, Mdlungulu, Mbuluzi, and Vusweni. FM radio drive tests were conducted across 19 designated transmission sites to monitor the standard of broadcasting. The Matanjeni Innovation Hub, iHub, a community-based digital innovation and entrepreneurship center, was established through a partnership with ESCOM's Universal Access and Service Fund, UASF, and UNDP, as well as SEDCO. The iHub provides digital skills training, ICT access, business incubation, and entrepreneurship support to empower youth, women, and persons with disabilities and local entrepreneurs while promoting digital inclusion and sustainable economic development in the Matlanjeni community. Under the same fund, coverage of rural connectivity was expanded by deploying global systems for mobile communication sites in underserved areas. Honorable Chairperson, the Ministry, through EPTC, made progress in modernizing the nation's telecommunications infrastructure through its infrastructure rebuild project, which has reached 96% completion. The prepaid data services has since been commissioned and is now live. The project delivers expanded capacity and improved service provision, giving the public more reliable connectivity, greater flexibility to purchase data as and when is needed, a stronger foundation for connecting more homes and businesses in the years ahead. In parallel, Chairperson, the corporation continued wireless deployment across 8 areas in all 4 regions to counter copper theft and restore services to affected communities more quickly and durably. The rollout of fiber to the FTTX continued increasing coverage to 26,528 home passes alongside route preparations for further expansions. It's worth mentioning that the FTTX extends high-speed broadband, enabling the education, commerce, and digital government opportunities to more eMaswati. Cross-border connectivity was likewise strengthened, with a key link upgraded from 1 gigabytes per second to 10 gigabytes per second to raise total cross-border capacity to 120 gigabytes per second, improving the speed and reliance and resilience of the country's international internet gateways for all users. Stability of the broadcast infrastructure to meet growing demand was enhanced. Solar power installations were implemented in 6 out of 7 EBIS transmitter sites. Such an undertaking has improved broadcast systems availability through backup power. Furthermore, the ministry has initiated the process of replacing the mainframe, which carries a number of government services. This project is intended to restore business continuity, which is a critical factor in service delivery. Honorable Chair, a major focus of the reporting period was accelerated digital transformation of public services and deepening access to information. Government in Your Hand was implemented on the government stack infrastructure for resilience and security. This service provision of Government in Your Hand mobile app was improved by adding 6 more services. These services are mobile app payments for travel documents, passports, birth certificates, marriage certificates, and death certificates, and trading license renewals. To improve on the usage of the app, awareness campaigns of digital government services and uptake of Government in Your Hand mobile apps were conducted. A marketing plan was developed and publicized newly launched digital products on various multimedia channels. Furthermore, marketing efforts across social media platforms to drive Government in Your Hand mobile app adoption are being done. Honorable Chair, recognizing that the people are at the center of digital transformation, it is important to bridge the digital divide. Thus, we were able to procure devices for vulnerable groups, assistive technologies for learners with disabilities are also provided. Furthermore, Chair, we piloted digital skills program within the correctional services facilities for facilities inmates cell phone repair. This project will greatly assist to bridge the technological divide. The ministry has developed 3 of the 5 programs under the RSTP portfolio. These are multimedia, cybersecurity, and forensics, and information security and ethical hacking, which have been submitted to ISHAC for review prior to official assessment. The remaining 2 programs, Chair, hardware and networking, as well as software engineering, will be sent to undergo similar review shortly. There's been an agreement between the RSTP and ISHAC to convene a special sitting for accreditation of its programs, and it is anticipated, Chair, that it is anticipated that the process will be completed by the end of the year. The aforementioned programs are formally recognized by the regulator. The recognition ensures that SAIT graduates will be locally and internationally acknowledged, enabling them to compete for employment opportunities and to pursue further studies. The school aims to offer long-term programs at the bachelor's degree level. Work is also underway to establish an examination center through which eMaswati can pursue various vendor certificates. In addition, ASIT is developing a portfolio of short courses and micro-credentials to be delivered both online and face-to-face. The multimedia department, equipped with a studio, will further expand services by offering media production capabilities. In the ministry's drive to bridge the digital divide, 473 eMaswati, comprising of adults and learners, were capacitated on basic computer and digital citizenship skills. Participants gained the ability to manipulate and effectively use ICT to access information and other services. Learners capacitated on basic computer and digital citizenship during school holidays. Honorable Chair, the ministry also worked closely with its parastatals to extend communications, broadcasting, and postal services, protecting consumers and promoting fair competition. Under spectrum licensing, 8 renewals and 2 new licenses were issued to foster inclusive access and bridging the digital divide. After the signing of the MOU with Eswatini Revenue Services, the authority supported and developed the rollout of No TV Permit, No Import regional retailer campaign in collaboration with Eswatini Revenue Services. The authority facilitated and launched Asibambaneni Sisem Gundeni, Season 2, Asibambaneni Sibengumdeni, Season 2 in collaboration with EBIS. EBIS won primetime news bulletin into the Saturday broadcast lineup and produced a special documentary for the 40-58 double celebrations. In celebration of its 60th anniversary, EBIS conducted a school program jamboree covering 18 schools across all regions. The ministry, through Eswatini Post in partnership with Eswatini Revenue Services, has operationalized all 34 post offices for the collection of non-tax government revenue. eMaswati can now access government payment services at any post office nationwide, bringing these services closer to communities and reducing the need to travel to meet government obligations. Eswatini Post has also recorded strong growth in the e-commerce last mile delivery. Volumes handled through the Patisatine service have more than doubled, increasing by over 100% and driving substantial rise in the parcels processed by Eswatini Post and Putumani couriers, while cross-border e-commerce parcels delivered through Putumani couriers grew by 30%. This performance reflects growing customer confidence in Eswatini Post e-commerce logistics capabilities and in expanding role supporting the digital economy. The ministry is implementing 4 capital projects this financial year. It was allocated 47,500,000 and 46,271,908 was released, and expedite was still in the process of to be incurred. The construction of Mhlangano branch library has been completed. The Ministry of Information, Communication and Technology was allocated a recurring budget of 356,974,809 for the 2026-2027 financial year. During this first quarter, 90,597,048 was released to finance planned activities. As at 30 June 2026, actual expenditure amounted to 69,266,435, representing the absorption rate of 76% of the released funds. This resulted in an overall unspent balance of 21,330,613. The total revenue of the ministry in this first quarter through EBIS Library and Eswatini National Archives and Record Services was 1,425,114 compared to 180,904 that was collected in the same quarter of the last financial year. Honorable Chairperson, the information that has been shared above shows that the ministry has achieved in a quarter under review. However, it must be said that we have encountered challenges while implementing programs and interventions. Copper theft and vandalism of critical infrastructure continue unabated, resulting in adversely affecting delivery of critical services such as communication, inadequate broadcasting equipment and ICT infrastructure, disruption of signal distribution, especially to Eswatini Television Authority and EBIS. Additionally, fuel rationing makes it difficult to conduct daily operations of the ministry. As I conclude, Honorable Chairman, I thank you for your support and encouragement and promise that we will continue to work to deliver on our mandate. I thank you for your kind attention.
Nduna lehloniphekile siyabonga umbiko wesilumbi njengoba yathi ke induna ukuthi thina sinayo sithunywe ngeMaswati la semakhaya. Ngicela ukuthi induna sale nje i-summarize ngeSiswati yendele ukuthi sonke sihambe kanye nayo induna kutaba kufishane to you nduna.
Siyabonga Honorable Chair kusinika isikhathi sokuthi sikhulume ngelimi lakithi leSiswati. Sicela kubika Honorable Chair ukuthi kulomnyaka lona lesibika ngawo sisebenze kakhulu ukuthi sisilwe indzaba ye-cyber crime, le indzaba lenkulu siyende ngemthetho nekuthi sisente umthetho futhi we-National Data Governance Policy njengokwati ukuthi siharmonize sente ukuthi umthetho lapha ekhaya uhambe kahle usebenze naleyo imithetho lekhona eveni. Siyabonga futhi nokuthi Chair sikhonile ukuthi i-policy nama-regulations aka-National Archives lapho sibeka konke loku history yelive sikhonile sikwathi submit ukuthi e-office le Attorney General, Honorable Chair. Siyabonga nokuthi infrastructure yethu, Honorable Chair, sikwatile ukuthi siyingete ukuthi sisupporte baka television naka radio, Honorable Chair. Siyabonga nokuthi futhi baka UNDP nabaka SEDCO nabaka Universal Fund lephuma ku ESCOM basibambisile ukuthi sikhone ukuthi sifake innovation hub le emacanjeni innovation hub, Honorable Chair. Macecheni, sorry, Honorable Chair. Leo hub leo, Honorable Chair, siyabonga ukuthi sikhonile ukuthi siyende siyachubeka futhi siyende kule nyethi indzawo, Honorable Chair. Honorable Chair, siyabonga nokuthi baka EPTC basibambisile ukuthi sichubeke ngendzaba infrastructure yethu, Honorable Chair, ukuthi sowathi ukuthi ngoba uyathi ukuthi most of the time lapha eveni siba nenkinga yokuthi i-connectivity ibe strong. Siyachubeka ukuthi siyende leyo connectivity infrastructure ukuthi sifake sichubeke live lonke nekuthi indzaba internet nayo sikwathi sibafake indzaweni emakhaya sesikhuphukele ukuthi sesifake 26,000 home passes sikhuluma nje manje, Honorable Chair. Oh, sorry, I thought you were saying something, sorry. Sikwatila ukuthi futhi sikhuphule i-connectivity yama gigabytes per second from 1, Honorable Chair, kule review under le quarter sangeta safaka ku 10. Nyalo sesi altogether, Honorable Chair, sesi 120 gigabytes per second. Logo Chair kwenda ukuthi sichubeke ukuthi speed sethu nekuba stronger connectivity yethu eveni kube khona. Sikwatile futhi, Honorable Chair, ukuthi i-library senhlangano siyicede ngoba lokho vele bekuyinvo lekuthi sifuna ukuthi yendeke masinyane. Siyakwathi no sisi-report, Honorable Chair, ukuthi i-ESC Shek ne-RSTP basebenza ndzawonye ukuthi lesikolo sethu esikhona lapha naka-RSTP sikwati ukuthi sibe semthethweni ukuthi bantwana bethu nabafunza bakwati ukuthi bafunze into lebonakalako le-recognizako eveni emhlabeni wonke. Siyabonga, Honorable Chair, ukuthi eMaswati lang 473 sikwatile ukuthi kule quarter under review siwafundzise ema-computer labancane labadzala ukuthi bakwati nabo ukuthi bajoyine umhlaba wonke ngekwati ukuthi kwentekalani ngendzaba yekufundza ema-computers. Siyahambile, Honorable Chair, senta ukuthi sibe nebuhlobo nabaka ERS labasibambisile etindzaweni ehlukahlukene yekucala indzaba lapha basisite khona lapho ka TV kune-program sithi no TV permit no import. Lapho laba sema-TVs nabangakutholi ukuthi une-permit wena ngeke vele i-TV ithengiseke kuwe. Leyo, Honorable Chair, indlela yokuthi sikwati ukukhuphula emasenti akhona lapho kathi i-TV nokuthi silandzele umthetho lowabekwa eveni. Siyabonga futhi, Honorable Chair, ukuthi sisebentile nabo baka ERS ukuthi onke amaposi lang 34 eveni eMaswati akwati ukuthi aye khona ayokwati ukubhadala lapho ufuna ukubhadala nadinga ama-services akahulumende. Lokho ukuthi bangahambi baye eMbabane noma kaManzini but bakwati ukubhadala emaposini aseceleni kwabo, Honorable Chair. Siyabonga nokuthi liposi, Honorable Chair, likwatile ukuthi kule ndzawo ya e-commerce ema-packages nekuthi bakwati ukuthi badelivele emaphasela eMaswati ukhule ngema-percentage lang 30, Honorable Chair. Lokhu kuyatshengisa ukuthi liposi ne-e-commerce yakhona iyakhula, siyafuna ukuthi futhi ikhule even more. Siyabonga, Honorable Chair.
Nduna siyibonga kakhulu ukuthi uyisivetele kahle umbiko ngeSiswati. Naloku nje mina ngiyadifuna ukuthi kepha usilemacetsheni kwenteke embamba lokushuwoko. Na induna ingamati macetsheni PS ni yanga induna ni hawu aganga Nkosi. Cha asibonge, siyabonga amalunga lahloniphekile endlu nango umbiko wenduna leseyisinike wona umbiko induna weke ukuthi imali ngoba kakhulu ngicela lokugcizelela amalunga lahloniphekile ukuthi kule quarter asibi likhuni kakhulu kodwa nje vele siyayibuka le mali ukuthi isebenze njani njengoba se uqalile umnyaka. Ngicela lokuthi ngivulele timphunga sitawusuka nje la enhla kushifu siyophuma indasi etimphungeni tonke salethi phosa imibuto divetele kuvetako enduneni. Beka shifu.
Angibonge Dlamini kunene ngivusele kuwena lenkosi nenduna na PS nelitiko nawo bonke labakhona netimbonga tengwenyama. Cha siyabonga hlube ngicolise kuba lady embuto ngosase ngibambe phasi Dlamini ndawubuthana sebacetse.
Ngiyabonga sihlalo ngiyabonga ithuba longinika lona mntwana enkosi. Ngitawuqala ngekubongela litiko ngaphansi kwe-revenue collection. Siyayibona le mali lendlela ekhuphuke ngayo compared to last quarter. Ngabe litiko khona nelingasilebela kona ukuthi basebenzise siphi strategy ukuthi izikhuphuke kangaka le mali ngoba mkhulu kakhulu omehluko. Angikhona ngisho kuyibala ngema percentage ukuthi le increase ithi how many percent sihlalo lohloniphekile. Sihlalo lohloniphekile ngidawuphindze futhi ngibongele litiko ngekukhona ukuthi bakhona ku recruiter CEO ngesikhathi ka under EPTC. Siyakubonga lokho asikavami ukubona lana etikweni lendvuna yaka ACT. Ngiyathemba nawe sihlalo lohloniphekile ayikuphathi kahle indzaba yabo acting CEO seyisifo lesesi ngibona sesingena nangale kubo CFOs kuya actwa nje. Ngabe nje nasingabuta indzaba ya CEO waka Isicom ukuthi seyicalile le process yekumrecruiter lo muntu to replace kubambene wayikuthatha isikhathi. Sicela ukuthi kungafanani naka RSTP. Siyacela sihlalo. Ngicela kubuta under a government in your hand ukuthi ngabe le platform vele ayimukela kanjani emaswati. Dinombolo ngabe banato yini ukuthi ngabe bangapi nje abantu labayisebenzisako le service lena sihlalo lohloniphekile. Ngiphinze ngibute ukuthi ngabe setingaphi tikolo lebakhona ukuthi connecta kulo first quarter nge-internet especially let's emakhaya sihlalo lohloniphekile. Ngiphinze ngibute sihlalo Swatini TV ukuthi na EBIS ukuthi ngabe bakhona yini ukuthi babe nato letinombolo tema viewership ka Swatini TV naseredweni kanjalo ukuthi baba nayo le listenership ukuthi ngabe tinombolo tabo titsini tiyakhula yini what decline ba litiko le happy yini kulelo hlangatsilelo sihlalo. Umbuto wami awusiwe kugcina sengidawuqedza sihlalo. Ngifuna kubuta kune device lengibone baka MTN ba introduce ukuthi tawukhona ku tracker tilwane especially tinkomo kusibambisa kulokulahleka kwetinkomo through kwebiwa sihlalo. Kuthi ngabe seyicalile lokusebenta vele. Seyakhona nemaswati lesekayisebenzisa le device uhamba kanjani mangabe sebakhona. Ngifuna kubuta futhi andayona futhi le device. Sibone ivela nalomunye babe ayimaketha naye through social media. Kwathi ngaphela isikhathi singako sabona MTN sekavela sekayilauncha naye. Ngicela buta etukweni ukuthi yabani le project ya MTN ngoba MTN usebenzisana nalo babe. Sengigcina sihlalo ngifuna kubuta nge-infrastructure bill, critical infrastructure bill ukuthi ingabe seyikuphi ngoba iyatsingeka la veni tokhona kusibambisa kulahlekeni kwabo copper theft nalokunye lokuphansayo le bill sihlalo. Ngiyabonga isikhathi sakho sihlalo.
Siyabonga sihlalo lesihloniphekile. Sicela kubonga na kiyo indvuna. Imbuto yami sihlalo itaba lithandana. Ngicela kuqala nje la kule board yakho page 35 ukhulumisa i-government unit and i-mandate ye-government unit is to oversee all ministries in implementing ICTs. Kwendele kuthi lamaswati angasayi embabane kuyofuna ema-services ahulumende. Umbuto wami ke sihlalo uthi ke mangapi ematiko that are lagging behind in e-services right now. My second question, what enforcement action has e-government unit taken against this ministry kule quarter lesibutela kiyo? ngingene kwesibili isihlalo lesihloniphekile epotini yakho sihlalo nikhuluma ukuthi litiko has established a national DCC register and hosted a TikTok seminar. Sihlalo engabe litiko lakho belingasichazela ukuthi how many creators are registered so far? What specific revenue opportunities has the ministry secured for them? Ngingene sihlalo ku government in your hand. Epotini yakho sihlalo uthi government in your hand runs on government stack infrastructure for security reasons. It is in your report. Umbuto ke sihlalo uthi what cybersecurity measures are in place to protect the personal data yamaswati and the payment information on the app. Ngisese kuye government in your hand sihlalo ngicela kubuta ukuthi engabe litiko lenda kanjani siyamjabulela kakhulu government in your hand ngiloko vele lesifuna ukubona live liyakiko engabe ke sihlalo litiko ngoba asifuni kushiya muntu ngemuva kulentfutfuko lesiyakiyo engabe litiko libuke ukuthi bogogo labanganawo ama smartphones nemaswati nje langenawo ema smartphones awa accessa kanjani lama services angasaleli emuva. Umbuto wami sihlalo lesihloniphekile uka RSTP mbuto wami wesi5 ushilo ukuthi sitekta ubuka timali wathi koba yikhota yekucala ka RSTP sihlalo umengibuka le income statement yabo ngibona entertainment their legal fees they've overspent by 67% and 100%. Siseye kala, right? That's entertainment and legal fees. Ngabe litiko belingasichazela ukuthi ngabe yini le entertainment le khona ka RSTP. Lamanye ema budget lines awo umengiwabuka kule income statement they've underspent, but on entertainment and legal fees 67%, 100% laba overspending ngayo. Ku question 6 sihlalo ku poti yakho ukhuluma nge digital Eswatini project. Litiko kule poti yakho sihlalo liyavuma ukuthi ke what the PIU capacity is strained and they need more staff before implementation. Engabe belingasichazela litiko ukuthi bangapi labasebenzi lababacelako ngoba lishilo litiko reporting ukuthi they've submitted a request yabo ku PS so ngicela kuva ukuthi bafuna tisebenzi letingapi and sebakhashane kanganani nale process. And kwesibili kukhulunywa nga 65 million US dollars kulo digital Eswatini project. Ngicela kubuta ke ukuthi engabe kutawukwendekani kulo 65 million project timeline if this is not approved before December 2026. Wegcina sihlalo lesihloniphekile lo solo ukhulumisa ngalo digital Eswatini project kube na component number 2 ucommita to digitize 50 priority services and build skills for 200 amaswati. Lithi ke litiko they're focusing on bomake ne youth. Umbuto wami ngesihlalo uthi engabe which are the 10 services latau digitized first and by when? Litiko ngoba lithi li focus ekubo make ne youth. Lithi la basemakhaya bomake ne youth labasemakhaya.
lelithi lifuna kubona bona ba benefita kakhulu. Litakwenda kanjani kokuthi uma selibuya kukhotha lenye lisinike tetinombolo letingito kokuthi vele kule focus yabo make ne youth lesemakhaya nati tinombolo letingito. Ngiyabonga kakhulu sihlalo lesihloniphekile.
Yabonga. Angibonga leso sihlalwane. Kwekuqala ngicela ngibabongele lo ukuthi ikhuphukile impela imali yabo labaniketwa yona. Kuhle kakhulu lokho ngoba nasiya ku first word ngilo lelitiko lokumele lisigijimele embili nalisigijimele embili nje kufanele lithole le mali vele leli supportayo. Ngibonga nanaba abantwana labang 473 laba bafundzisile. Nginembuto omunye lapho ukuthi angabe banikwa certificate tikhona in the certificate lapho tingashedi basite khona nangabe sebafundzile sebacedzile lokufundza. Mbuto wami wesibili ukuna ngumshina wekuthatha ma-ID nyalo bekuvalekile bekude sekuvulekile evikini eliphelile iphindze kwafa kulungiswa njani kuyini lenkinga yawo oba nyalo nje tawuvaleka lama passport oba phela kuphindze usebenze futhi kuma passport yini lenkinga yawo uthwele kakhulu kwekuthi uwodwana noma kwende njani nangaba ngasicacisela lapho nje. Ngiyabonga Chair.
Your Royal Highness, sicale ngekukudlulisela ukuthi litiko induna iyagijima. Ipoti imnanzi ngasitawuhlala nje ilanga lonke sikhulume ngakunye ngoba tiki tiyevakala nje kakhulu kunengi ke lesithandza ukudumisa ngoba bese kuyasala lana sibuta imibuzo. I-infrastructure development shosi kwatakhiwo nje taka ICT letikhona ngaphandle kwama libraries nalokunye iyakhombisa ukuthi beyinkulu kakhulu lephathekako nalele digital lengaphatheki siyakubonga lokho. Siyakhumbula indvuna ikhuluma ngalelinye ilanga lapha kona lamapoti kwekuthi yase yafika ithi iyawufuna ipassport yayo yakhuluma ngokuthi yashaqeka kangakanani ngokuthi kumiwa kanganani. Siyadumisa ke sihlalo siyayidumisela indvuna ukuthi yende imetamo lemkhulu kakhulu kufika la sesikhona khona sesinema digital platforms kwekuthi sitawukhona kubhadala sifune ama IDs sithole ama passport kuyi achievement lenkulu kakhulu lokho. Lokunye ngete sakuyekela ukudumisa ngilokuthi kube ne focus on disability nema learners la disabled manengi kakhulu ama assistive devices ma assistive technologies lasingekako ukuthi bantfu bethu labane disability bakhona ukuthi bachubeke baphuma ema universities babe nema skills batiphilise. Siyadumisa ukuthi litiko lenta imetamo lemkhulu kuloko. Sibe netinkinga ke lapha ka hacking sihlalo lohloniphekile kwavela tindzaba tabofacata kwahackwa emabhange kwahackwa kuhackwa ne-information yakho nema-computers akho usuyasebentela ekhaya ukhanze tintfo takho. Siyabonga lokuthi kuyabukwa lapha litiko lenta imetamo yokuthi loko kubuye nganeno. Lokunye lesikubongako ngithanda kudumisa nje kakhulu kule body lena nginayindzaba ka ASIT lekuthi abafuni nje kunika abantu abethu certificate ukuthi bedlulile eclassini baphasa lokuthide bafuna sileto certificate tibe ngileti taba recognize umhlaba wonke ngoba Isihlalo sibe netikolo letiningi leminyaka ledlulile. Nalo yavula sakhe isikolo saka ICT, nalo yavula isikolo sakhe sema computers, bantu bethu sibhadale imali, baphume bangakhona ukuthola imisebenzi, bangakhona ukusebenzisa nalamathulusi bebasibayewafunza. Siyabonga lokuthi la kwento imitamo lemkhulu ukuthi lokhu kube at world standards. Siyadumisa kakhulu. Singethe sayishaya indzaba yaka EBIS na 60 years. Leli kube lithulusi lelive lo communicator across live safundzisana ngalo. Lisite kakhulu lithulusi ekutheni kwakhiwe sive, kwakhiwe hulumende, kusitwe nemaswati ukuthi access information siyabadumisela kulo 60 years. Ngikunengilele ngifuna ukudumisa sekwengiyagcinela. Indzaba phuthumani isihlalo. Lokuthi nje sesithenga digitally, lokuthi sibe nendzawo lapho ungathenga bakulethele ekhaya masinyane besiba netihibe lapha nalapha. Kuyabonakala ukuthi emaswati asayamati ayamsebenzisa le growth ya 30% nje inkulu kakhulu. Impunga lapha isite isaba nokubuka ukuthi i-percentage letsini nayi i-collection lendiwe litiko. Ngisena ngitibalela, ngisena ngibona inombolo ngathatha ucingo ngabala. Angathi noma ngibale kahle ukuthi 788% growth. I-difference from lo 180 to lo 1.4 million is massive. Siyadumisa nje kakhulu. Nginembuto munye nje endvunena emnengi imbuto yami. Indzaba ye-National Data Governance Policy leta usita ku-harmonize neku-protecta i-national data. Indzaba lenkulu lena lomunye umlingani lapha bekhuluma ngokuprotectwa kwe-personal data. Sihle singena etinkhulumeni sihlalo lapho sihleti kuma-chambers sibona imithetho leseyithi kulungile ukuthi lokhu kusherishwe le information lena le personally sherishwe. Siyathanza ngase ngabe le policy ngagijima le. Lesikubudayo ke ndvuneni sicela i-time frame. Ingafika isikhathi indvuna ihambe kungakendiwa lokho ngoba ngilapha live lilimala khona. Sike saye emihlanganweni leminye seva ukuthi eGhana sasinamongameli eGhana kukhona live leliba offerishe imali kuthenga nje idatha yabo yaka health billions bala nayo ke baze bayi-announce lendzaba nemhlabeni ukuthi cha balile nedatha yabo ngoba kuthengiswa kwaleyo data kusho ukuthi labo labayithengako sebatawati ustifota kulelo live dimension bangabakhela ini babathengisele ini. So siyacela indvuna isinike i-time frame lapha nekuthi-ke embuzo lo related but longasi totally related ngilokhu harmonize nje onke emathulusi akahulumende. Litiko nelitiko linema-technical issues alo. But ilitiko nelitiko bese lisebenzisa ema-information management systems la computer nala parallel nala ngafanani. Ngiloko nje ukuthi ingabe indvuna seyihambe kangakanani through i-government kwekutheni kuharmonizwe emathulusi ahulumende kutoba nemathulusi la tawukhulumisana khona ukuthi kusherishwe kahle information. Siyabonga kakhulu siyadumisa sihlalo litiko ligijime kakhulu in 1 quarter. Nekuthi ke in the quarter bothi sibuke imali sihlalo. In the quarter kuyabonakala sibasebenzise 24% webudget yabo. That seems to be in order sihlalo. Sicabanga ukuthi sifuna bachubeke nje basebende ungasibende kahle kakhulu ngiyabonga.
Babe chief ukhona kusolo sekuvela velile. Siyabonga baba. Cha malunga lahloniphekile siyabonga nduna. Siyabonga njengoba Timpungati isho. Timpungati bese tikuthatha konke mina nakulebe ngithi ngidokukhulumisa la. Kepha ke ngikusho lokho nduna ngiyathanda kuveta ukuthi ngicela lokuthi induna ikhululeke nayita kule committee le yetimpunga. Ingede ya ingasithathi kabi induna nasibute imibuzo nduna sibutela ukuthi sakha live sithatha ukuthi nana nawe tinjongo takho ngoledo and nasibuka lo mbiko wakho usitshela lokho ukuthi wenda lokho uhloseke ukuthi leli veleli aliqhubekele embili solo uhlabela leyo ndzaba leyo solo siyakubona uyakwenda lokho. So now uvasibuta imibuzo nduna ungakuthathi ukuthi kukhona lolwa nawe nduna si senda nje lo msebenzi nathi to the best of our abilities like you're also doing. Sengikushito lokho nduna ngithi nje anguvete ukuthi ekoteni lephelile nasigcinana nawe nduna siyakhuluma uyasibikela cha kukhona indzaba losoyotilungisa in particular indzaba ya emphathi wa Eskom uyasho ukuthi cha nawuphuma nje endlini uyawuhlangana neboard ithi induna sihlalo ngakuthinza as soon as ngicetha neboard ngiyakholwa lokho ukuthi shothi induna agcina akalitholi lithuba lekubonana neboard sabheka ke kopha ngcansi kusho ukuthi khona ama challenges leyahlangana nawo induna solo siyafuna lokwati induna lokuthi vele kahle kahle kuyiwapi lapho sesikuphinyalo lo lendlela tinto letendeke ngayo nduna kukhotha igcina nasi singena kuma debate setenda umuntu akasathi lokuthi kufuna sale sibamba njani lento kuze itobona lokuthi nduna site emsebenzini and nothing else site nje ukutosebenta live and kakhulu lapha ngile mali emaswati lesihlangane ngayo imthelo yebantu le and bantu bafuna athi imphendulo nayiva induna sibuta suke sifunzile phindze sithunywe bantu ukuthi sitowenda lokho so ke ngithi nje nduna mina namhla vele ngithi khanze ngisenkingeni ke ukuthi angifuna ubongazi ukuthi silwa nenduna noma siya ku personalizer so angisakhoni nje nokuchubeka kahle ngibute ngikhululeka ngoba angifuni ukuthi induna isithathe kabi thine asikho ku popularity contest lapha nduna sisemsebenzini nje and sakufungela lele sikwendako njengoba nawe wakufungela so ke for that reason nduna ngicela nje ukuthi ngingede ngachubeka utokhona lokuphendula lemibuzo le yami ngidayibamba nduna siyadumisa umbiko muhle keja nje le ndlela tinto letinendeke ngayo nduna sibona ku social media tinto lesitikhulumise esikhanze setiphendulwe somewhere else platform yekuphendula anything eparliament ngiyona lena nduna feel at home we are at home here sitosebenta kude lolwa nemuntu nduna ngicela ukuphinza lokho it's nothing personal it's just business and it's business as usual ngicela kuniketa induna malunga iphendule lemibuzo mina kwakami ngicela ukubamba namhla for the very reason lese ngistatile over to you honorable minister.
Siyabonga Sihlalo, thank you very much Chair. Sitawuzama kuphendula most of the questions. Lamanye we hope ukuthi start for a chance yokuthi siwalethe ngolokubhaliwe but we'll try and answer as many as we can. Chair. Indzaba ye revenue collection lekhulunyiwe baba hlonishwa labanengi siyabonga ukuthi irecognize siyabonga futhi ukuthi bahlonishwa babone lokuthi kunale improvement from low 180 to low 1.4 lokunengi lokukhona ukuthi sizama lokuthi kulamatiko nalama parastatals siphushe le culture yokuthi sikwathi lokuthi imali sitiphushe not only ukuthi sithole kuhulumende kuphela but sikwathi ukuthi sibe nale culture yokuthi nabo labo CEO nabo labo CFO going all the way down to the institution babe nako lokuthi bakujwayele ukuthi imali tikolekwe ukuthi siphela sidele ukuthi lama institutions siwafikise to the point where now asatimele angakadipendi kuhulumende kuphela so siyabonga ukuthi basibambisile baphathe balama parastatals neministry nayo through PS siyaphusha vele ukuthi sibe lapho siyabonga nokuthi induna tiyakhuluma ngendzaba yabo acting. We are trying very hard. It may seem like asizami, but actually siyazama. Sometimes lokuthi phela funa silandele konke imithetho. Sometimes lokho kuthatha isikhathi ngoba kusuke kungasele institution yodwana kuphela lebuke certain things kunemithetho efuna ukuthi silandzele. but sisebenza very hard lokuthi simithe lawa ma-issues. Kungenteka ukuthi mhlawumbe ubonakala ukuthi asikwende lokho, but we can assure libandla ukuthi we are definitely doing so. Khona kubutiwe futhi labanye bahlontsha labanengana ukuthi kwentekalani nge-recruitment ka-ESCOM. We can assure libandla ukuthi i-board is working on it njenyalo. I think sebafike kule point lapho nama-interviews asentiwe. So siyathemba ukuthi anytime soon sitawuthola ukuthi sebahambe njani. Indzaba ye-connectivity etikolweni, we've done some connectivity etikolweni, but we can also tell libandla ukuthi kokwabudwa lapha ngindzaba $65 million. Ngicala nje ukukhuluma ngayo ukuthi utabe endani lokunengana. Kokucala nje $65 million utawucover libandla sike sakhuluma nawo from the beginning saqala lo msebenzi 2023 ukuthi kunenkinga yekuthi eposini i-pension fund yakhona inema challenges. So le mali lena itawusita kuleyo position leyo, number one. Number two, kunenkinga ukuthi lakhaya i-connectivity isolo noma ngabe siyazama ukuthi kuyi-strengthenisha, sidinga ku-add more to strengthen it and reliability. So lesitaka kwena njalo kufaka i-fiber optic. Le mali lena itasinika le opportunity ukuthi sifake le fiber optic throughout the country and be able to strengthen again as part of our contribution to strengthening lokwentekako ngendzaba yelona ye-connectivity laveni. Loko futhi sita ukuthi sifake le Wi-Fi in all the schools. We've got about 850 something schools. It's not kufaka le free Wi-Fi. And about 214 medical facilities. Nakhona sifuna le Wi-Fi ukuthi sifake so that bantwana besikolo nasetibhedlela bakwadi ukuthi ba-access i-Wi-Fi and be able to do e-learning and any kind of medical things that they need to do. I-critical infrastructure bill kubutiwe ukuthi ingakuphi. We are happy to say ukuthi sekulendlu lana i-critical infrastructure bill, so we are hoping ukuthi asesen review ile ndakwadi ukuthi sale sichubeka la phambili. We're very happy ukuthi indlu is happy ngale critical infrastructure ngoba vele siyayidinga and we need to ensure ukuthi iyachubeka. Lamanye ama questions labutiwe ukuthi i-government in your hand as far as cybersecurity is concerned. Kude lesikufaka ku-government in your hand bahlonishwa lokungakafaki ukuthi ngisini ngithola ama questions ngala answers ngalana. Lokunga ensure ukuthi everything lesifaka kwelapha ekhati is always secured cybersecurity wise. Konde ukuthi we are always testing ukuthi kude le exposure for bantu nabangena kule government in your hand. So vele siyazama lokuthi anytime we're putting any kind of system in place, we ensure ukuthi it's always cyber secure. Sisebenta kahle nabaka ESCOM, they're always supporting us in that area. Nabaka RSTP, we're doing so in that area. Lokunye lokubutiwe ukuthi indzaba ye capacity ukuthi bantu esibafuna ko bangaki. Yes, sorry. Kaphi I use ngasi. Lesizama kukwenta ngamanje. Sizama kuwenta ndzaba ama-smartphones. Ama-smartphones ndzaba yekuthi how do people access them? Vele akaship ama-smartphones. But ngiyakhumbula abahlonishwa batakhumbula ukuthi in the past times lapho sihlangana khona besikhuluma ndzaba ukuthi bombombomba what's going to happen there. We are continuously extending isikhathi sokuthi baphuma from the market. But lokho kuyasihlupha ngoba solo siku 2G and that has got a challenge ukuthi how do we move to even 5G. So nale connectivity naloko kunama implications akhona, but it doesn't mean lokuthi asifuni ukuthi abantu abadala banga access. So that's why ke umlomdzala namaposi all 34 post offices lesinawo nama libraries ukuthi we can be able to access our services nokuthi ubhadale emaposi niyakwathi kwenda njani ngoba we recognize ukuthi kwanyalo kusene gap between smartphones nebantu labanawo. So that's why we are also making the post office to have the exact same things longathola government in your hand. Lokunye lokubutiwe indzaba yemshini wakahulumende sike sakhuluma nebahlonishwa a couple of terms ago ukuthi one of the issues esinayo indzaba ye-mainframe yethu seyinzala, and now we're in the process of fixing the mainframe, but our ultimate goal timali basivumele sisibe nato ukuthi we must get a whole new mainframe. Ngalasidinga i-mainframe le-AI driven lehlukile nama mainframes akadzeni, so that will ensure ukuthi le misebenzi yakahulumende yonke yendeka in a much more seamless way. But the other thing I think that's important to understand is siyazama kubutiwe babahlonishwa babutile ukuthi what's also happening in bringing in all ama services akahulumende into government in your hand. Siyabambisana ke nahulumende wonke abahlonishwa batakukhumbula ukuthi sine RSTP Act ya 2023 lethi vele konke lokuluntu RST ICT related funa kungene ka ICT but ke sifuna sibambisane nema different ministries ukuthi nawo akwati ukuthi alesithi invotable and we're able to work with them and so that we don't also waste government money ukuthi we're duplicating things nobale kunyo sokundathi before them or after them so kwathi ukuthi sometimes I want so that we're able to use government's money much more effectively because as you said chair lesi lokukhuluma ngako lana is imali yemaswati and be able to sisebenzise kahle nokuthi sibe responsible so we're very appreciative ukuthi libandla is always playing a very good and strong oversight. Tabaka Putumani, we are very happy about them. It's something that we're pushing for the post office in e-commerce to the extent that for transactions with other players in the area, take a lot in general. Up now, but as can be able to order anywhere in the world. They don't need Gutsiba order. South Africa, but they can order anywhere and it can be delivered to them. Ibanda tawukhumbula ukuthi sesebenza nekuthi digital addressing so that bantu batakwazi ukuthola timbe emakhaya nasemakhaya mbamba nje lapho le addressing akhona isese challenge sifuna ukuthi ilungiswe so that bantu batakwazi ukuthi wonke umuntu athole ema deliverables abo ema packages abo sorry. I-library iya fundzisa vele emaswati but we're not certified with this certificate. We're just training people ukuthi bakwazi ukusebenzisa ama computers. It's just a service to emaswati. Uma bafuna certification libandla takukhumbula ukuthi sine RSTP and we've got a lot of free products and programs that emaswati can be able to join in and sign up on and be able to get internationally and globally recognized certification. So lapho ke vele we're always encouraging emaswati ukuthi assign up. In the government in your hand take up at this particular point, Chair, we can happily say that we have had a 20,000 downloading and uptake government in your hand, but we need to continuously market it, and we're trying our best to do so within limited budgets. But anywhere that we are, we're always promoting it's a convenience issue and it's a reliability issue for Emaswati. So we'd like for them to be able to continue to use this process, and we're hoping would leave a longer time to take up these programs, Honourable Chair. MTN program, animal tracking. Is it already working? What's happening? We can confirm, Honourable Chair, the program is already working, the solution, and they're actually going into working with private owners, Honourable Chair. But the solution, the solution, Honourable Chair, but not even MTN for a very long time with the program with the and we've actually gotten to the extent, Honourable Chair, would see the program it's about MTN, I forgot through government in your hand, number one. But number two, whatever money they are making, we are on a revenue share of 60-40, 12-40, but 12-60, and over a 2-year period, then we'll get 50-50 of the revenue. It's part of our program. I was saying whatever we're doing in the private sector, and that's what it is truly something to benefit financially as a way to grow our revenue. So we're always trying to support Nemaswati, who are also doing their own programs, and we're always working with them to be able to do so. Of the 20 government ministries, how many are lagging behind? We can confirm with Labanengi, Basabela Nazi, Honourable Chair, and e-government division yet the coordination, digitization that we're doing across all of government. But sometimes among ematiko mhlambe angakhona ukuthi asibambise, but siyazama lokuthi siqhubeke sikhulume nabo ukuthi ngicela isibambise ngoba phela everything esiyendawo sendela live, so we can't say ngendlela kwami. So we're always trying to make sure ukuthi they're always coming to support us, but we continuously nani bahlonishwa nani khuluma nabo ngicela nibatshele ukuthi basibambise ukuthi we work together to be able to provide for the country. Honourable Chair, I'd like to stop here and be able to cela ukuthi lamanye siwabhalise phansi if that's acceptable to the Chair.
Siyabonga Nduna. Lesingakusho nje Nduna ukuthi sikhatsi besisenaso sisesinenge kepha unless seyithi induna yona seyidenya lo timphendulo ngicela ukuthi ngibuyele emalungeni asho ukuthi athini ngibona umhlonishwa Fezeka uphakamisa sandla.
Ngiyabonga sihlalo lesihloniphekile singeva ngawe kodwa bengingacela nje sihlalo benginembuto mine lembili lengacela kuyiva ngibude indzaba ye DCC register ne TikTok seminar ngicela kubuta nendzaba yaka RSTP mayelana ne income statement yabo ngiyacela kuphendvuleka kule mibuto yami lembili sihlalo lesihloniphekile.
Umhlonishwa mvoti bese umhlonishwa Nkosi nawe uyaqhubeka.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu sihlalo. Awu nami bengethembile ngibona iministry igcwele ama-officials akhona ukuthi timphendulo sitatfola tonke. Since ushito next isikhathi usesenaso chair sakho sikhathi. Sibanike mamane bati kumqoka lokuthi sihlalo ukuthi tivele leti imphendvulo la ngoba nase titibhaliwe sengithi kuphela lesi sine access kuto. Laba abantu kufuna sibative labale emakhaya abasa sesibadinayile le opportunity leyo sihlalo. Bengingaqela nje ukuthi mane bati kube khona labatishoko mane khona ke nami labusele nje umbuto munye ngoba mbili sihlalo akusilo longonyana umbuto nje lomusha ngifuna kuva etikweni uhulumende kulamalanga ukhathe fuel I think around 40% nga 40% laba wesa kubo CTA bengifuna kuva ukuthi ngabe litiko le affected kangakanani in terms of service delivery ngalokwe kuthi kukhathwe lo fuel weqina ngifuna kuva ukuthi indvuna ike yasithembisa ukuthi itati branda tonke timoto ta government phinze futhi kube nendlela athi connect track ukuthi lena ihamba kuphi ihamba la kufanele khona yini kuthi ngabe litiko likuphi naleyo project leyo ngoba siyatibona ti brandiwe letinye but letinenga tisengaka brand wasihlalo ngiyabonga sihlalo.
Ngiyabonga sihlalo ngicela inkonyane leli funa ukukhulumisa indzaba ye digital addressing ukuthi nje ingabe litiko liubuka ukuthi kutakwendeka nini ngoba ngibona ngathi incumbi ye information sesinayo lalabenta abo vulnerability assessment baka NDMA bayakhona kufika noma nguphi na kusho ukuthi ukhona lona information lethi lelikhaya leli kuphi nebaka economic planning bahle bakhokhe ama maps nabo bakhombisa sibakhona kufika information yabo iyakhombisa ukuthi njengoba nakwenziwa nje ema national surveys bafika emakhaya amaningi phinze kube nema maps lakhombisa lawo makhaya kanye na Google Maps naye uyasikhombisa ukuthi emakhaya kuphi imigwaco ikuphi ukuthi ingabe litiko selibanjwa yini ngoba phela sihlalo naba abantu abethu labasebenta kukhanze ukuthi sebangemarana njengoba eta nje phuthumani bese kunebantwana labathengelako le kubo take a lot bese sothi awu nawo kamanzini embabane ngitawukhona kukudelivela koja nawo ngephandle kusho ukuthi lenzaba ka digital addressing ema addresses ibaleke kakhulu eniyasingeka idinga abantu bonke nje nelive lonke kubuta nje endvuneni ukuthi ingabe with all the information lekhona ingabe kutawusasa isikhathi esingakanani kubambeni what are the challenges la sakhona nyalo. Ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga timphunga letihloniphekile angathi noma indvuna ingacela sinike 10 minutes yini. Yes, cela kungethe 10 minutes indvuna so you gather cela kuthi nje baniphelele ngetinkhani nje ninike indvuna timphendvulo bekunane chubeka kanjani.
Sorry, Honorable Chair, it wasn't that I'm ngafuna answer certificate lately and I don't want to be rude in if you can just give us 10 minutes to do this and then we can answer more questions. Thank you so much, Chair.
Siyabonga ndvuna sinike indvuna 10 minutes asingenene ku 10 minutes break malunga sitawubuya.
Msado ingosi akayithathe akahambe nayo akayithathe yedenza bakhe
timphunga letihloniphekile nendvuna Ngiyakholwa induna siyinikete enough time ukuthi ithale iqhubeka. Siyabonga nje qhubeka.
Siyabonga Chair nelibandla induna ehloniphekile for giving us some time to be able to go through all the answers to the questions that Butwe Dinduna bahlonishwa. Ngicela kuqala ngalena yemhlonishwa lebute ukuthi le National Data Governance Policy sesikuphi nayo nokuthi i-time frame yakhona ithini. We can assure libandla ukuthi we are hoping, we are actually planning ukuthi we'll have this done before the end of the year. Bahlonishwa. What that will give us like ukuthi sibe ne purview ukuthi is this something that we need to do as its own special law? Noma sidinga ukuthi mhlambe siamendele omunye umthetho sikufake la khathi. Having the policy will be able to assist us in understanding that, but we can assure you ukuthi kungakapheli lo mnyaka sibe sesicedile ngepolicy. We also like to be able to answer a question lebutwe ngumhlonishwa ngendzaba yokuthi what is happening among content creators and how many have been registered and what is government doing to help them. To date, we've got 2,774 content creators that have been registered. Aim yethu chair bekuthi we just open up the doors for our content creators atokwathi abe in touch our platform holders and owners. Thina ngeke sikwade ukuthi sibasite ukuthi bakhule thina sivela leminyango ukuthi bafunze ukusetshenziswa kanjani, how do you raise your numbers as a content creator, what to do, what not to do, how the monetization works currently and how it will grow over the years ukuthi singene more and more into their full monetization process. And ukuthi ke sicela ngayo lo TikTok, but lesifuna kwenda ukuthi how do we find ukuthi silese nalabanye labakhona kule platform in Taufa nje from days gone by na MTN naye so cala yakhe i-content creation la ilonjile naye about a month ago which we launched with them. Sifuna lesa nalaba ka YouTube nalaba ka Meta nabo ukuthi ngakapheli lo mnyaka nabo babe sebafike nabo to come and talk about what they do and what they are encouraging content creators to be able to do to be able to raise money. This is an area which is very important to us as a ministry, Chair ngoba kwenda ukuthi sikwati naso sifake sijike sivaneni lapho ukuthi how do you create jobs, and these are the new kind of jobs that the country has. So thina ukuthi ngesifake capacity sikwati usisivelele iminyango sibathu labantu laba ngama content creators babe no opportunity to be able to work effectively and get careers going and get opportunities going. Kune question lebutwe nguSenator Fezeka ngendaba yokuthi what is happening lapha ka RSTP ngendaba ye budget. Kukhona lapho bonakala ukuthi ungathi entertainment budget is very high and legal budget. It is my understanding, Honorable Chair, ukuthi what happened here is that the stating happened before kuvalwe umnyaka. So bafake I budget yaka Science Week for catering for Science Week as if it was an entertainment budget. Kanzi vele ayisiyona ifuna ingene under events ministry. So I mean parastatal. So it's definitely not iguti by entertainer as it may come across in the way that they've budgeted. Essentially iguti they need to watch out for how they are putting these things across because they don't read right. So but during mhlonishwa lo munye ukuthi indaba ye fuel, how is it affecting us? Inayo vele affect lenkulu ngoba bahlonishwa will know ukuthi we've got about 16 towers throughout the country for television and radio. So as khona service all the time as we would like to do so. So baka television vele baya affecteka, baka EBIS baya affecteka ngoba we cannot be doing the services and we need the servicing that we need to do for these towers. Nikuthi ke bema news ukuthi bakwadi ukuthi bathatha indzaba kukhuni vele for them to be able to do so ngoba nemali ye maintenance nyalo sesisebenzisa ukuthi isebenze kuthenga bolona bo petrol kanzi phela we need to be using it for other things and keeping it on the side for that. Indaba ye branding of cars, thank you for recognizing that project as a good one. Seyihamba kancane ngalo ngoba ema ministries funa ukubhadalele wona. So siyasimele ukuthi babe nale mali ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sithi ngale branding. So saqala thina ngeyethu sokuthi ngalo sesicala sele bathi ibhadalela bona because we don't have the budget to be able to assist them lapho. Bengicela nje ukuthi sikhulume a bit more ngalendaba yema ID systems yebo kona bese answer ishile lokunye but uthi nje singethe ukuthi le ID system lesinayo bese se reach a term of life a long time ago, end of life a long time ago, Last year njena lena le system ekuthi i-MIDA system isebenza ukuthi printela ama-passport nayo vele bese seyiphukile. So sesikhuluma nama-vendors ke ne-RSTP ukuthi how do we keep revamping it, and that's why ke manje sesikwatile ukuthi i-revampeke kwathi sekubuyele phambili, and we continue to do so. But I think the very kudinga ukuthi i-ministry ithenge yaka Home Affairs, that is ithenge imishini lemisha, but I think nabo babanjwe indzaba tema budget netimali. Lokunye lokubutiwe ngisenator Lizzy ukuthi how do we ensure ukuthi ihulumende uyaharmonize, as we mentioned before ukuthi of course ngale actors 2023 yaka RSTP we use that for the harmonization, but lokunye lesesikhona lesikwathi sikwende ukuthi ema ministries nathenga anything in the ICT field sesibacela ukuthi bacela sesibasene nathi for the scoping, so that we are able to ensure that they're getting machinery that is actually up to date and that is actually fit for purpose. But also it enables us which ministry has bought what equipment. So what we can lean on them to be able to use that, and we're able to use that work. But also ensuring that all systems that are always having the cybersecurity and the security issues as part of the scoping, because that's very, very important. As for information, also about the issue of digital addressing. Ministry of Housing, Housing and Urban Development, launch the addressing system, because there's now an internationally recognized addressing system. That's why everybody have an address yake. My ministries, but for everyone to be able to have their own physical address is very important for the e-commerce space. A physical address. It's going to also help at letting ambulance and a whole lot of other things that are required. What is to figure address coordinates proper to be able to get there. So we're using that digital addressing, but we want to go to all the other parts, including the rural areas. So it's a pilot project that will before the end of the year to be able to do that. And so we certainly want to be able to ensure even at Inkunda now, they're also being able to have their own addressing system. It's very important for us, even in the long term, if we ever want to deliver medicine, Makaya Ebandu will be able to also to do that process. Which we answered a little bit, but I think we just go into a little bit more detail. We'd see about the accommodating of old people, government in your hand, and how are we going to assist them. Says a whole digitization strategy. Platform lang 2. Let's cater for the older people and the older systems as well. Besides the policy, and it's going share we're going to be installing a self-service kiosk for them to be able to access not only at Emaposini, but also to use the USSD star 468 hash platform. But what we're encouraging, hopefully in the long term, they can get inexpensive telephones. Personal data protection. We are always really, really encouraging Ematigo and even the private sector are always respecting information in band. You can't just have people's information lying around. It's in essence, how we are able to go ahead is that we've gotten approval from the Data Protection Authority and we've been pre-testing the cyber security, but we always are asking understand the active data protection. Because I think people don't even understand so there's a lot that we need to learn and understand, even as government and the private sector. How do we keep people's information safe and ensure we're not leaking any information out for Inakunja. PIU. At this particular point, PIU is a grant at World Bank, which has allowed us to be able to have currently 6 people. But we are wanting by the time a project after the loan has been approved, we have 20 plus more people to be able to work on the program and the process. But what happens if this loan does not get approved by December of this year? We'll just have to push everything forward. We'd really appreciate kundeke nyalo ngoba the faster we can get this loan approved, kundeke lokhu singakwenda for leave. And we hope the process is quite decent masinyane. But if it's not happening, then it's but we'll have to be to push things forward. Bekunguloko bengathi bese kusele honorable chair angathi khona lesingakakuthinzi bahlontsha bangasitshela ukuthi khona lesingakaba answerishele kona kahle.
Ngathi ukhona lokusala ngibona ngathi na chief ukhona la sicale kumhlonishwa Fezeka.
Ngiyabonga sihlalo lesihloniphekile. Ngiyabonga indvuna cishe konke kwami seyekuphendvulile. Ngicabanga ukuthi sihlalo lesihloniphekile ushilo ukuthi ke sitele I for one meaning ngithanda ukukhulumela bantfu labasha even stele nje meaning ngitele kutawubutela loko ngifuna clarity ngokuthi ke kuhamba kanjani indvuna sengiphendvulile ngokuthi ke mangaphi ama content creators lasa registered bengicela sihlalo ngokuthi ke ngicaciseleke in terms of the revenue opportunities ngokuthi ke vele okay babasita ngokuthi how do they create to perfect le content yabo la TikTok. Siyathi sihlalo lesihloniphekile ngokuthi we've seen in SA a lot of young people are making millions nge-content, TikTok, Instagram, you name it, millions. So uma sekufike leli thuba eSwatini, now sikhala vele ngekubabede kwemsebenzi kubantu bethu labasha. So bengacela sihlalo kucaciseleka kuloku ngokuthi in terms of the revenue opportunities kude yabo sibasita nje ngokuthi how do they perfect it, gain more followers, but in terms of letindzaba tetimali kukhona yini litiko lelithi belibalethele ukuthi itaba khona le mali masekanawo lama followers langaka so ya qualify ukuthi sebangacala bambadale noma cha, we just want to perfect sibafundzise ukuthi how do they perfect their content. Thank you sihlalo lesihloniphekile.
Siyabonga mhlonishwa uyavakala ngathi abe so wena njani chief so withdrawal angibuyele kuwenduna siyabonga.
Siyabonga sihlalo. Thank you for the question, Mhlonishwa. I think le monetization lama platform owners twofold sihlalo. Sasina experience abalana sathi South Africa is very different because of their numbers. Nigeria is very different because of their numbers. They're the only two in sub-Saharan Africa. Kenya is going to be third nyalo. Laba try imali ethola nase America. And I do want to say, ihluke imali yase Africa nemali yase America. That's what we must do as Africans in the AU. So that's something we do as the AU. So that's one. Let's bring in all the other SADC countries. We can make up the numbers. Namibia, Lesotho, Singene Katsi, so that we can make up those numbers. Those discussions still continue for us to be able to make our numbers and doing African countries. But what we thought as a ministry, conversations, we don't know how long they'll take, but they must at least have a look in to the opportunity. Part of that look in was they were able to do a service that they're doing for us and they're also doing for Kenya. It's not necessarily always the monetization in the way that they're doing in other countries. They do what's called gifting, and you can turn that gifting into cash. So that is what they're doing now. So what we thought we should do is, the numbers are very critical and important to how many followers you have. And it's also important with the content yako. What kind of content do they like to consume so that you are able to understand that. We are very, very, very passionate about getting Banda Bangane Gutsi, but or be self-employed through this process. So we even mentioned at the beginning, the end game. which is being paid directly cash. It's getting the gifting, which then gets turned into cash. But not as the African continent. We've got to be able to fight our corner to ensure we get paid the way the Americans, the British, and everybody else gets paid. But in the SADC environment, we're still working to say, how do we also get paid using those numbers? But we thought it would be good as a Swatini, we go ahead of the game and at least get something for Emaswati, not only from how do you create, how do you get the numbers going, but also how do you get that gifting that will turn into cash, which you can turn into cash. We thought it would be important to start somewhere, because we don't know how long it's going to take. And we're always trying to sing about, they did it for Kenya and for ourselves, and not done it for anybody else. Siyabonga, Chair.
Nduna lehloniphekile asithathele lithuba sibonga kakhulu kukhanyisa kakhulu kuleyo ndzaba iyakhumbula ke nduna mina ngangikhona lekusemina ngayihlalela lilanga lonke lesemina ngangitelele lokhu vele kuthi ngilova ukuthi bantu babeMaswati batawusitakala ngane ngiyabonga ukuthi namhla induna yayikhanyisa ukuthi ukuthi ithini leyo ndzaba ngoba kwebese kungazuthi sekukhona lesi sizama ukwenda kanti kuunye lesikwendako ukuthi kusitakale bantwana beMaswati malunga lahloniphekile letimbunga ngaphandle nangabe kukhona lokusalako ngicabanga ukuthi induna seyikuphendulile siyabonga nduna ukuthi imali eMaswati siyayibona ukuthi yasebenza keja ke njengoba sikhala njengekuthi RSTP uyachaza yebo ukuthi cha isiwe khabo entertainment ukuthi kumbe bekujayivwa kodwa nje the spending sona sibe sikhudlwana kepha ke siyacabanga ukuthi ngalokho sekuseyi first quarter lelandzelako utawubuya nembiko so usijabulisa kakhulu siyajabula nekubona CEO wakhe eSwatini Television kuyasijabulisa lokho sicela ukuveta kuwenduna sifanele sikujabulela umsakazo weliphimbo leSwatini si umsakazo ngendlela lo seven lonke ngayo le kakhulu lemakhaya siyabona umsakazo all over this country kuyajabulisa kakhulu lokho nduna sifanele sikuvete ukuthi siyabujabulela nathi sithokota nawo umsakazo usagubha lesibhimbi sawo lomkhulu esikhulu kangaka siyakholwa ukuthi nathi batase basibide nje singile portfolio sesitosho lokuthi sijabuliswa yini ngemsakazo weliphimbo la kaNgwane livela lesive seMaswati ngale kwaloko nduna sicela sale sikhululeka ngathi bakhona lokusala kodwa imbongo kodwa nduna lokusala sicabanga ukuthi the job is done. Thank you.